everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is inspired by Princess Jasmine from Aladdin. This look is actually really easy to do, and it's mainly just lining your eyes, which I have to say I'm not the best at, especially with eyeliner, as I say in pretty much every single video that I do. But I've tried and I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. And this wig is so long, it's like, you can't even see how long it is. But I've never had black hair either before and it feels very odd. But we're just gonna go with it. So if you want to see how to get this look, then carry on watching. So this is my finished Princess Jasmine look. As you see, it's so easy to do and I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. So you'll have to let me know what you think and if you'd like me to do any more of the Disney princesses or even just a character from a Disney film. I am also going to carry on my Disney villain series. I just need a bit of inspiration for what to do next. So leave that in the comments as well. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another. Bye!